and a warm welcome to everyone. Good afternoon to our esteemed guests, especially the art enthusiasts and artists here. Of course, especially our guest of honor, Ms. Lenore Lim. On behalf of the School of Humanities, I welcome you to the 16th Natividad Galang Fajardo exhibit entitled Natural Tapestries of Womanhood Through Prints. Just two notes. I believe that exhibits speak for themselves, so I really want to say as little as possible. At the same time, a few things need to be said, need to be mentioned in order to increase our appreciation and enjoyment of the exhibit. Some of you might know what these artifacts are about, some of you might not. So it's best that we have a few comments. Let me quote from the write-up. The exhibit celebrates the artistry of Lenore Raquel Santos Lim, whose works capture the profound connections between nature and womanhood. Through the exhibition of select artworks and her archival materials, which include intimate prints, catalogs, articles, and ephemera, this exhibit explores themes of resilience, care, grace, relationships, drawing inspiration from her roles as mother, educator, community leader, and artist. Another quote from the National Museum's bio note. So her exhibit there is ongoing too, and it's my hope that this mini side exhibit will awaken more interest in that one. Okay? Ms. Lim is a pioneer of computer-aided art in the Philippines. She has received various recognitions, including a very competitive Paulo Krasner Foundation grant. She is also a recipient of the Pamana ng Pilipino Presidential Award. And especially those close to her know, she has founded a very important foundation, Filipino Music and Art Foundation, BC, supporting aspiring Filipino artists. So we have someone in our midst who has it all. By has it all, I mean that combination that we aspire for in the School of Humanities and in Ateneo. So it's really our honor to have her. That's note number one. Note number two is this fascinating process of printmaking. It involves crucial and painstaking work on a matrix or a template. I won't pretend to know about it, not being a printmaker myself, but I've seen it in action, and I'm fascinated by that particular art form. I saw someone live doing it, and this process of layering and layering and layering as each unique print is produced is not very different from what we do here, the process of teaching, educating, and learning. And so at the School of Humanities, where we strive to see the whole, and we know that the whole looks better when you also know that there are layers. Maybe you can see the layers and how they got there. At the School of Humanities, where we foster in our students the skill of seeing connections, deeply probing the meaning of humanity, especially in relation to technology, in relation to our relationships and our dreams. Also in this school where we cultivate artistic expression, I think there is a natural home, even if it's just temporary, for Ms. Lim's works and artifacts. So again, Ms. Lim, I am very grateful that your works and belongings are here. Thank you for sharing them with us. It's a collective honor for us to welcome them and all of you here.